Nashville Electric Service officials confirmed the explosion that we saw during Saturday's deadly tornado was from an electrical substation in Madison. This right here, brand new surveillance video released by NES just this afternoon. News 2's Kendall Ashman is speaking to a woman who says the explosion intensely shook her family's home directly across the street.
Everything we known since kids is gone.
Amara Hutchison says this home off East Campbell Road has been passed down in her family for several generations.
It's been in our family for a very long time. My granddaddy helped build those stones right there with his own 2 hands.
Amara's sister, brother-in-law, and nephew were living here at the time. On Saturday, Amara says she got a call that her sister's home was in the direct line of the tornado.
So I got down here not even in 3 to 4 minutes.
Amara says her family heard a loud boom across the street. The next thing they knew, the storm was on top of them.
That explosion shook her house so bad that she said it felt like a train was coming towards her, a big train, and it wasn't stopping.
Surveillance video from NES shows the terrifying moments when the twister passed through.
And then all she did was look up and could see purple in the sky.
Amara shows us where her sister and family was trapped. Amara says she held her breath until she saw her sister come out alive.
I mean, I couldn't breathe. It was like there was no breath left in my body till I seen my sister walking up the road alive. I could not breathe. I mean, and seeing her, she was hyperventilating, and I don't even know how. I don't even know how she walked at all. I don't. I mean, she's heartbroken. She's heartbroken. She's just devastated.
In Madison, Kendall Ashman, News 2.